Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Jillian. In today's video, we are going to learn introduction to Microsoft Excel. We are going to explore Microsoft Excel, a powerful tool for data analysis and management. I'll guide you through its features and functions. And by the end of this session, each and everyone who has watched this video will have a solid understanding on how to use Excel and will be able to do various tasks using Excel. So let's dive into it and let me show you how to use Microsoft Excel. So when we are starting, we shall go to the taskbar here and look for the Microsoft Excel, but when we don't find it, like here it is not there in the taskbar, we shall go to the search bar here and we type in the word Excel. Let's type in the word Excel, and Excel here, it has come here on the screen. So you double click on it and it's going to appear on your screen. So this is what we are seeing here. It is what we are going to learn. So here is what we are going to use to learn in today's video. So in Excel, we have what we call the sheets. We don't use pages when we are using Microsoft Excel. So we have sheets, and you can see here is sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. So we don't use pages in Microsoft Excel. And a collection of these sheets form what we call a workbook. A workbook is a collection of the worksheet. So, and these sheets are made up of rows and columns. So a row is denoted by the number and a column is denoted by the alphabetical letters. So this is our row. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is our row. This is row 1. This is row 2. This is row 3. Like that up to row, like the kind of what you want, the number of rows of what you want. And our columns are here denoted by the alphabetical letters. They're here. This is column D, this is column E, like that. And where a row and a column meet is what we call a cell. So where row 1 and column A is meeting is called A1. It's called A1, which is a cell. It is called a cell reference. A cell reference is the name of the cell. So where row 1 and column A meet is called a cell, and the cell reference is A1, which is the name of the cell. And we also have what we call the name box, which is up here. This is the name box. You can even see it's written on the screen. That is the name box. The name box shows an active cell, like the active cell which is here is A1. When we shift to another one, which is B here, we are going to see B1 on the name box. So the name box shows the active cell. We can even bring it here. It is showing G3. So the name box shows us the active cell. Then we also have what we call a formula bar. A formula bar always contains the functions used while you're using the Microsoft Word. So let us press equals. It contains the formulas which you've used. So our equals is there and is on the what is on the formula bar. So let us put that A1 Let's put A1. A1 plus A1 plus B1. A1 plus B1. So our formula bar is showing us the formulas used. You can see what is here in the box is also shown in the formula bar. So that is what we call a formula bar. Then we also have what we call functions. We also have what we call functions and formulas. Functions are user defined. Then we also have our formulas. And every formula we have our functions, and every function starts with equal, like for example equals, then you put there your sum. So this sum here is referring to the function which you have used. So members, this is briefly about the introduction to Microsoft Excel. That is what we use when we are in the Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is so important. It helps us in data analysis. It helps us in making report cards. It helps us in making our budget. Like you can make your budget on the spreadsheet. You can also use it for stacking, for tracking the students' progress, like making the report card. You can use it for grading. You can use it for your personal business. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If this video is helpful, you can watch with your friends. You can share it with your friends, and you're going to learn a lot from it. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Jillian. Once again, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. See you in the next video.